Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of TikTok. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.